In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop components. If you're looking to enhance your collaborative efforts with interactive elements, you're in the right place. So whether you want to organize tasks, create collaborative documents, or just make your teamwork more dynamic, Loop components can be a game changer. Let's start with the basics. Open Microsoft Loop. This is where all the magic happens. Whether you're setting up a new project or diving into an existing one, every idea takes shape here. Once you've opened it, your workspace welcomes you. If you haven't created a page yet, now's the perfect time to do so. Think of pages as the canvas for your collaborative art. Choose to create a new page or select one you've previously worked on. It's entirely up to you. Now the secret ingredient in Loop is the / command. Just type the / or / as it's commonly known to unlock the variety of components you can integrate. Think of it as your toolkit, each tool ready to enhance your project and make collaboration smoother. Let's explore a few of these components. For instance, typing while your task list creates a dynamic, interactive checklist. This isn't your ordinary checklist. It's designed for team collaboration. Everyone can see updates in real time, assign tasks, and monitor progress. It's like having a digital task manager right within your document. Next up, consider the table component. Need to organize data or compare options side by side? Using a table within Loop brings structure and clarity, making it perfect for projects requiring detailed analysis or organization. And then we have the checklist, which you can summon by typing #checklist. This is similar to the task list, but with flexibility for other uses. From grocery lists to project steps, it's another tool for ensuring nothing gets overlooked in your planning. Want to make team decisions or gauge opinions? Enter the Art voting table. Invite your team to cast votes on issues, prioritize features, or make quick decisions. It's perfect for those moments when you need consensus or simply want to gather insights from your team. Lastly, don't underestimate the value of using these components for quick team surveys or features prioritization. These features are tailored to make team interactions seamless, effective, and engaging. Whether you're using them to track a project's status or to ensure everyone's input is considered, they can significantly improve team dynamics. The beauty of Microsoft Loop is its flexibility. You can customize your pages with any combination of these components to fit your project needs. So, dive in and start experimenting with different setups. Let Loop components revolutionize the way you work and collaborate, making teamwork not just efficient, but also enjoyable.